Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Chemistryy. So far we have seen about the topic that is unit surface chemistry. Today we are going to see about the new topic that is hydroxy compounds and ethers. This is a new unit we are going to see. What are the classification, the basic introduction we are going to see, that is the classification of alcohols we are going to see in this first video. Let us see. The another new unit is hydroxy compounds and ethers. Let us see about the basic introduction of about alcohols, that is classification of alcohols. First, it is classified as monohydric alcohol and polyhedric alcohol. That is, what is meant by monohydric alcohol? Let us see the example. The example for monohydric alcohol is ethanol. The formula for ethanol is CH3CH2OH, that is C2H5OH. It contains only one hydroxy group, OH group. So it is monohydric alcohol. Mono means a single one. So it is monohydric alcohol. Only one OH group is present in this. Next one, let us see about the polyhedric alcohol. An example for this, poly means many. An example for this polyhedric alcohol is glycerol. It is otherwise called as ethane 1,2 diol. Let us see the formula. The formula for glycerol is CH2, OH, here one OH, that is more than one OH group, that is it contains two hydroxy groups. The formula for ethane is CH3. So one hydrogen is replaced by one hydroxy group, here one hydrogen is replaced by one hydroxy group. So ethane 1,2 diol, that is, this one is first carbon, this one is second carbon. So one hydroxy, two here, one alcoholic group. So ethane 1,2 diol. The another example for this polyhedric alcohol is glycerol. The formula for glycerol is this one. Glycerol is otherwise called as propane 1,2,3 triol. First we will see the formula for propane, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Here this is the first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third carbon. Here one hydrogen in the methyl group is replaced by one hydroxy group. Here one hydrogen in the methylene group is replaced by one hydroxy group. Here one hydrogen is replaced by one hydroxy group. So 1,2,3 triol. So this is glycerol. So these are the two examples for polyhedric alcohol. So these are the two classifications. One is monohydric alcohol, another one is polyhedric alcohol. And the another type of classification is the hydroxy group attached to alkyl group, the hydroxy group attached to allyl group, the OH group attached to a benzyl group. First one we will see about the hydroxy group attached to alkyl group. Let us see the three examples. One is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. The example for primary alcohol is ethanol. Ethanol formula is CH3CH2OH. The formula for secondary alcohol is propane 2-ol. That is, the formula for propane is CH3CH2CH3. Here in the second carbon atom, one hydrogen is replaced by one hydroxy group. This is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, this is third carbon. In the second carbon atom, the methylene group, that is CH2 group, is present. One hydrogen is replaced by one hydroxy group, that is 2-ol, propane 2-ol. The last example is tertiary alcohol, that is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. This is the tertiary alcohol, that is 2-methyl propane, the three carbon atoms propane 2-ol, one hydroxy group is present. Tertiary alcohol. The next one is hydroxy group attached to allyl group. Let us see the two examples for this classification. The first example is prop-2-ene-1-ol. That is, what is the formula for propene? CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is the formula for propene. So ene, that is ene means alkene, the unsaturated compound, unsaturation. So ene. Here one hydrogen is replaced by one hydroxy group, CH2OH. Here the one hydrogen in the methyl group is replaced by one hydroxy group, and next one is CH double bond CH2. So prop-2-ene, here first carbon, second carbon and third carbon. 2-ene-1-ol. Here the hydroxy group is attached to the first carbon, so 1-ol. So this is the prop-2-ene-1-ol. The another example is but-3-ene-1-ol. What is the formula for butane? CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. This is the formula for butane. So here CH3 first carbon, next one CH2. Here one hydrogen is replaced by one hydroxy group. This is the second carbon. Next one is the third carbon CH, and this is the fourth carbon double bond CH2. This is the alkene group, so ene. The hydroxy group is attached to the first carbon, so 1-ol. but-3-ene-1-ol. These are the two examples for OH group attached to allyl group. And next one, OH group attached to a benzyl group. That is, this is the C6H5, that is phenyl methanol. The formula for methanol is CH3OH. Here the hydrogen is replaced by the phenyl group C6H5. So phenyl methanol is the first example. Let us see the another example, 1-phenyl ethanol. The formula for ethanol is CH3 CH2OH. The hydrogen in the CH2 is replaced by the phenyl group. So this is the first carbon, this is second carbon. So 1-phenyl ethanol. This is another example. And third one is 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. That is, here the phenyl group is attached to the second carbon atom, and also the hydroxy group is attached to the second carbon atom. So 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. This is the last example for this type of classification, that is OH group attached to a benzyl group. So these are the basic classifications of alcohols. The continuation of this topic is we will see in the next video. If you all like this video, please share this video, comment it and like it. Please subscribe our channel Chemistryland and also press the bell icon. Watch the full video. Thank you.